Here's a video of another one that's going home. This is Amari. Amari is the one that a previous trainer had come off of him. They sent him to us to work him, and he 3 years old. He was a stud at the time when the previous trainer came off of him, and then after that they gelded him. And we really didn't have many of the problems that I expected to have that they were describing with the previous trainer, probably because he was gelded. I really think that helped a lot of the issues. And he came in a pretty nice horse. This is one that my granddaughter has been riding out back. He is a little 3-year-old Arabian gelding. He's a pretty nice horse to ride. And here Robert's riding him around a little bit, just walking him a little bit, steering, letting the owner see what he's like. And he's pretty calm for an Arabian, pretty calm and relaxed. And this is going to make a nice horse for her and for her family. This is the one that I think possibly has EPM. I don't know. I told her to have her vet evaluate him when he gets home. They're trotting around just a little bit. He just seems a little bit weak in the back end. And I don't know, just a thought. She's gonna follow up on that when she gets him home. There, Robert's trotting him around. Got a nice, relaxed, easygoing trot. This is a nice-minded horse. He's got more woad than go, which is also unusual for an Arabian, but nice horse. And here Robert's going to open the gate and ride out back, and he goes down the alley here across the bridge and makes a loop in the back pasture where we keep the cows, and he rides him out the there, and the owner and I walk back out there so that she can watch him ride, see how he handles everything. Made our loop back there, and now we're back in here. In just a minute, Robert's going to step down, and the owner's going to get on, and she's going to try him out. She came all the way down from Missouri. They shipped this horse to me from Missouri, and she came down before he left to go home to ride him, to make sure that she got some instruction from me and what to do with him and how he was doing before he got shipped back up there. That was really smart planning on her part. Really nice to work with owners that get that involved. That's the best way for the success of the horse and for the owner to know what I did with the horse and ride the horse and ask about any issues or anything that they don't understand or know about. And nice to work with owners that work with like that. Not everybody can. A lot of people would like to, but just can't. There she steps right up there. He stands nice and still and rides off. There's some kind of technical things with her riding that really needs to be adjusted. We talked a little bit about some of it. We didn't really go real deep into a riding lesson. We mostly talked about how he operates. But it was pretty obvious, even though she kind of gets her body a little bit out of position, she can stick to a horse pretty good. She spends a lot of time riding her horses at home. I bet if I give her some regular riding lessons, should be a heck of a rider. Every time she comes back this way, Amari keeps wanting to come to us, I think. She gets him home and she puts some time on him and they kind of bond. They're going to end up doing good. Now I'm going to go open the gate back up and she's going to ride him out back. It's kind of how I like to do it. That way they can ride the horse in this arena and experience kind of the horse that way and then take it out. Where we go out back there, I don't do a lot of video and it's really hard. You see me post a few pictures back there. It's the loop out there and back is probably a quarter mile. It's a pretty good little ride. It's hard to record. Now she rode back there and coming back in, and she did real good with him here. I think she's going to do real good with him when she gets him home. He's not the kind of horse that really worries about a whole lot. He's pretty settled. He's pretty broke, and I'm excited for her to get him home and enjoy him. Again, this is Amari. I'll put a link to his playlist on YouTube. Until next time, thank you for watching.